Imagine waking up at 10 a.m., grabbing your coffee, checking your phone and seeing $100 already in your account, without even touching your laptop. Most people think earning online means endless hours, late nights, and burnout. But what if I told you there's a lazy way, where money works harder than you do? Today, I'm revealing the laziest yet smartest passive income ideas that can make you $100 a day. No boss, no strict schedule, no pressure. You create it once, an ebook, a design template, a digital course, and it sells again and again while you sleep, making you money 24/7. I still remember when my first Canva template sold while I was at the beach. My phone buzzed, and it wasn't a friend texting. It was PayPal saying, "You got paid." You upload a design once on mugs, t-shirts, tote bags, and when someone orders, the company prints and ships it. You don't even touch the product. The best part? No inventory, no packaging, no customer headaches. You just collect your share and let the system do the heavy lifting. You recommend products you love. Someone buys through your link, and you get paid. No product creation, no delivery, just influence and earnings. My friend Lisa shares her favorite kitchen gadgets on TikTok, and every month she earns more than her 9-to-5 job just by sharing links. Passive income isn't about doing nothing. It's about building systems once that keep paying you forever. With global online markets and US purchasing power, even a small product or idea can turn into a steady stream of income. So if you're tired of trading time for money, start building something today that will pay you tomorrow and every day after that. Imagine looking back a year from now, realizing that one lazy decision was the smartest move you ever made for your freedom. Start small, think big, and let your money work for you. Because lazy doesn't mean careless, it means smart. Michael sat in his tiny apartment, sipping coffee from a chipped mug, staring at the number in his PayPal account. $3,000 in 1 month, all for work he barely touched after setting it up. For the first time, he realized this wasn't just side money. This was freedom knocking on his door. He leaned back, imagining a life where he could say yes to family trips, yes to helping his mom, yes to living life on his terms. Months later, Michael wasn't just earning, he was teaching. Through his YouTube channel, he showed people the exact steps to build their own passive income streams. Thousands were watching, commenting, and sharing their success stories. And every time a message came in saying, "You changed my life," Michael smiled, knowing that the laziest way to earn money had ironically turned into the most meaningful work he'd ever done.